What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So I finally got the Torred catch can in from Billet Technologies. I ordered this thing back in July, and it finally showed up a few days before Christmas. So, which is awesome because obviously I bought this for my wife. It's going on her 22 Charger. I guess Billet Technologies was having some sort of problem getting some Torred stuff in. Like I said, they finally just got it all in. So we are going to set this on the bench, take a closer look at it, and we'll get this thing installed. Should be a quick, easy, straightforward install. So let's check it out. Sorry for the messy bench here. It's been cold. I haven't really been working out in the garage much, so I've been kind of just throwing things around. But at any rate, the Billet Technologies catch can in Tor Red with nickel fittings. It's like a black chrome. Really nice contrast with the red. And we've got some red hose ends. These are going to slide on just like that. So again, nice contrast with the black and the red hose ends. So as far as what you get in a box, obviously you get these fittings, which I don't believe, maybe we'll have to use them, I don't know yet. So you get two of those. Obviously these are the braided hoses. I opt for the braided hoses. You can just get the standard rubber hose if you want. And then we got which looks like a spacer here, and then the bolt to mount the catch can. So that's pretty much it. Really straightforward. They do have some directions, I think, but again, this is a super straightforward, easy install. So if you're watching my video, you won't need directions because I got you in this video. So that's really it, guys. Just gonna get this thing installed. Like I said, it's gonna be quick and easy, and have you on your way to installing yours. Okay, so first I want to go over some tools that you're going to need to install this thing. The mounting bolt is a 13 millimeter, so you're going to need a 13 millimeter socket, and a ratchet, some sort of a clip removal tool, something like this, a flat blade. This will work easier, or something like this that's got a channel cut out in it. Some channel locks, maybe, and maybe some sort of a seal pick. And I'll show you why. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this hose here. All right, guys. So now to remove this hose, I believe this tube stays on, and then we just take this line off of here. This elbow is going to stay on as well. So this is where that seal pick or something like this is going to come in handy, because these hoses are stuck on here pretty good. So what you can do is sort of put your seal pick in between the hose, the rubber, and the line, and just work your way around it and break it loose. Kind of just wiggle and turn it out, just like that. And then we're going to do the same on this one, which this one looks like it's actually coming out quite easy. Yep, this one's pulling right out. And that might be why. It's full of oil already. This car's got 1,400 miles. Look at all that oil that we're going to be catching. Ugh, it sucks. I recommend holding onto this little tube. It's small. You can store it pretty much anywhere, just in case you ever want to go back to factory. You got your line here. So I'd hold on to that. And then the next thing is where we're going to mount this. So there's a clip, a Christmas tree clip holding this wiring harness in. That's where this guy is going to come in handy, all right? So we're just going to put it in between the head and the Christmas tree clip, and sort of just wiggle that out, just like that, and it pulls out just like that. This is not going to do any harm laying next to where it's supposed to go. It's not going to rub on anything. I've got pretty much the same setup on my 21, and I just let the harness droop to the side there, and so far so good. Now we're going to mount the catch can. So it looks like the spacer is going to go between the head and the catch can. So we're going to put our bolt through the catch can and the spacer like that. Slide her down in there, and we will start tightening the bolt just like this. Make sure it starts and you're not cross-threading it. It goes in pretty easy, so There we go. And we'll just start turning it by hand, and once it gets too hard to turn by hand, get our ratchet and socket, and then finish tightening it up the rest of the way. Just like that. Snug. Don't have to go too crazy. It's not going anywhere. And then we're ready to attach our hoses. All right, now that we got our hoses over here, we're gonna go ahead and stick one of these fittings in one end of the hose, the longer one, and then you're gonna slide your hose end over that, okay? And then we are going to insert the long hose, which goes from the catch can all the way back here in there, like that. And then we're gonna take another hose end, slide it on, and then slide it over the catch can, just like that. And this actually seems a bit long, this line, so I'm gonna cut this line because it actually looks a little bit too long. The next one here, you're gonna slide another fitting on just like that. And then you're gonna slide your hose end on. And we will insert this here. Oh yeah, this stuff is way too long. So it definitely looks like we're gonna have to cut our hoses to size. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark where I'm gonna cut it, so that way we've got the correct length, cut it, and then reinstall the hose. All right guys, so real quick, all I did to cut this hose, it cuts really easy, is just took a razor blade, cut on my line, just like that. Once you get it started, it's super easy. And you just go around the hose. Just like that. Make it a little bit more straight. Got a little carried away on my cut. There we go. And reinsert our hose end, brass fitting, and then we will insert this one on the car, and that'll be it. All right, guys. So put your two hose ends on here. Insert the brass fitting end on your intake elbow there, and then the other one on the catch can. Push them together. And that is it, guys. That is all. Super easy install. You got your two brass fittings, which go on the manifold side of the lines. Your four hose ends, which go on before the hoses go on the catch can and the manifold. And that's pretty much it. Bolt this guy on and you're good to go. And then down here, this is what I was talking about, this wire just hanging here. It's fine just like that. It's not going anywhere. If you want to get carried away, you can zip tie it up. But like I said, it's not going anywhere. It's a really rigid piece of wire. It's not going to fall. So again, no worries there. And closer look here. Really nice, clean look with the nickel fittings. So guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Stay tuned, guys, because I have a surprise coming up next in the next couple of days. Billet Technologies sent me a brand new catch can exactly like this one, except it's black. It's like a gloss black. It's got nickel fittings. It's got black hose fittings and then black braided lines. Super killer looking catch can, guys. And I'm going to be giving that away to one lucky winner over on my Instagram. We're nearing 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome. So I'm going to give away a catch can exactly like this one for the folks who have Charger or Challenger 392s, 2015 and up. So be on the lookout for that in a couple days. Like I said, as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be going to give away that brand new Billet Technologies catch can over on my Instagram. So like I said, stay tuned, watch for that next video, and then watch for the post on Instagram. Once I make that video, I'm going to make an official post for it. So yeah, hopefully we can reach 1,000 soon, so that way I can give that away rather quickly. So guys, hopefully this video helps you, and we will catch you on the next one.